Please like and subscribe.
This is just going to be an unboxing and a close-up look at the item. I was going to use this for a project I had, but I delayed it for now. So I decided to just do a video on a close-up look, so you can get an idea of what you get. I've used these in the past on hoses, outdoor hoses, and it makes it easier to turn it on and off from the end that I'm holding. And I always like to have an extra set. So what happened was, on the project that I was planning this for, I found another set that I had, and I used that. And I'm going to keep this for that same reason, so that when I am in a need to use it, I can just find it in my toolbox. And that's why I keep them. I keep them in a plastic bag or something. Not with other tools, just actually in a drawer that I have just for items like this. And I think this is a 3/4. This is considered a 3/4 inch item, both ends. And what I like about it is the on and off. I know nothing about brands. Link is below for this one. I am not promoting this one. I'm just showing it. And I will be using it definitely in the future. It's nice to be able to connect something and just shut it off from that end. When you need to actually remove the item, let's say it was a dishwasher, and you want to remove the dishwasher, you don't have to turn off the main water line. You can just turn it off from this end, do your work, and then put it back on again. This is a close-up look of it. Total size. I am not a plumber. I know nothing about plumbing at all, except to do minor fixes. Comes with a washer and then 2 extra washers. Just in case this has any meaning to anyone, I'll weigh one of them. Again, this is just a look at, I hope the video helps. I hope you liked it. Let me show you the inside and how it locks. You see the closure happening there. See? You get detailed information from the page. The link is below. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.